recording it now. Yeah, that looks like it's recording. So let me share my screen. So, are you going to share that? Come on, share. There's the button. Right. Okay, I'm just going to go back out to where we were so that people can see where we've started from. So we're in your module, Tim, project management.
Yes.
We're going to add into the right week, which is week 1. We're going to add under share and apply a Blackboard Collaborate link.
Yes.
So click on that and press add. And this is the tab that takes you through to the seminar slots. So I'm just going to call it online seminar links. And I'm going to say, please click here. Or maybe I'll put that first. Oh no, what I'll do is say, please go to the correct seminar. Please go to the seminar you've been assigned to. Go to
your assigned seminar. That's shorter.
Yeah, well done. Your assigned seminar. Okay, online seminar links. Please go to your assigned seminar. I think that sounds better, doesn't it? Yeah, okay, so we're going to call it that. And then we just save and return to the course, having got that set up. So that now sets up a tab that takes us through. So I can now turn edit off. And then I can go back into that now. And having got that link there, I can now create a recurring session.
Ah, okay.
Okay, and so the first recurring session is going to be seminar Friday 3 till 4 with Tim Hill. I think it's a good idea to put the tutor's name in.
I agree, that's a really good idea.
And then, so you're going to start on the Friday, so that's going to be
9th of October.
Yeah. And
9th of October. Oh, it's American dating system, isn't it?
Yeah. 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Till 4 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a repeat session.
That's the bit I would, yeah.
Yeah, and then it's going to be repeat weekly for 10 weeks. I would have thought you're not going to run them in the last week. I'm going to do, it's up to you. You can put in 11 if you want to run them every week. In the last week.
No, I'll add a separate one. I'll add a separate one for the 11th if I'm going to do it. Let's keep it at 10 for now.
Yeah, okay. So then you create that. And then if you want to have guest access, because that's quite useful if somebody is struggling to get in, you sort of have to save it and then you've got your guest access set up. So just save, and then that is now set up as a weekly. And if you look at that, if you go down here, you'll see there are 10 sessions. Okay, so that's the first one set up. So if we set up the second one, so this is seminar Friday
1 to 2.
Yeah, Friday 1 till 2 with Ari Malik.
Brilliant. It's as you say, it's really easy.
And there is just one other thing we've got to do once we've got it sorted. So again, it's on the 9th. And that's at 1 p.m. Till 2 p.m. Repeat session every Friday. Create. Yeah, that looks all right, doesn't it?
Yes.
And then I'll just save it to get the guest access. Save it. Yeah, we got that all set up. Okay. So close that.
Is it possible literally to, rather than, I mean, I know it was quick to create it. Is it actually possible to literally just replicate it? And then all you've got to do is change the time?
Doesn't seem to.
Okay, so we just create another one for the 2 till 3.
Yeah, so let's quickly do that. So then they're all 3 set up. So that's seminar Friday. I'll take that one. And it's 2 till 3.
2 till 3.
2 till 3. Set up. And we want it on the 9th. 2 till 3. Repeat. Create. Guest access is there. Save. And then let's close. Okay, so now you've got your 3 recurring sessions, and you can see they're all recurring because if you do the down on that, you'll see them all there.
Marvelous, marvelous. Okay. Thank you so much.
Now, when you go back into here,
yes.
I mean, there's 2 ways you can do it, and Graham and I were talking about this. So Graham's just going to do one of those, and he's going to put it right at the top and say, all the seminars are here. Personally, I just think that's not quite as nice. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to turn edit on. I think either way will work, but I'm going to do it this way because I think this looks nicer. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to duplicate. And what I'm duplicating is the tab.
Yeah.
So here, I'm going to pull that down.
Get it.
And
to the very bottom of that.
Yeah.
To discover. Yeah. Well, I can move it. Yeah. Okay. I get what you're doing. I can do the rest now from that.
Yeah. I'll just put it in so it looks nice.
Yeah. Perfect.
I just want to finish it. And then what I do is then I actually edit the settings because it adds this word copy at the end, and I just think it looks horrible. Because then if you take the duplicate, so I just always take that out, and then save and return to the course, and then you can just duplicate those links as many times.
Just go all the way down like that. So that's the most time-consuming bit of the whole thing.
It's not difficult. It's just a little bit time-consuming. But there is one thing you need to be aware of, and at the moment I don't know a way around this, and I don't know whether I can be bothered to do much about it. But when you go into this, your students will see all 3 of them.
I don't care.
I don't care. To be honest. And actually, they will turn up at that time. So if they turn up at 2 o'clock and they click on the 3 o'clock one, it will tell them, sorry, this isn't running yet. And if they go
that's fine.
If they go into the wrong one, but they're at the right time sort of thing, so they get in, so long as there's not loads of them there, I don't think it'll be a real problem. I mean, it may well cause us problems. I don't know. But I sort of think I'm not sure that's...
Well, there is a way of doing it. You know, the only way to do it would be that, you know, when you created the initial Blackboard Collaborate link, the one level back from this.
Yeah.
If you go level back from this back to the Moodle page.
The tab.
Right. Yeah. So back to that tab. If you then created a separate tab for every seminar, right?
No. I tried that, and they all come up. So
oh, really? Because then it ought to be possible to assign groups to them, you see. But okay, well, I'm not even going to bother anyway, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I can't see how you would do it the other way. Yeah, I mean, I'm leaving it at that for the time being. We've asked for groups to be made, but I don't know how I can make some of these links only go to certain groups. So I think I'm just going to leave it for now.
Yeah, I'm going to leave that for mine because it doesn't matter. These are master's students; they'll do the right thing, and it's not like we've got 500 of them. It might be slightly trickier for some of the undergraduates.
You know, because some of this is going to be for undergraduates too, so it may well be tricky, and we may need to have a different solution. But this at least will get us started. So that come Monday, everybody will be able to put their BB Collab links up on their Moodle sites ready for people.
And that, ladies and gents, is how you set up seminars. And I didn't have to do a thing.